Hello guys, today we are gonna talk something about our nature. Our nature is endangered, so we should save our nature. Endangered, in love with our earth, we should keep clean. Even the others throw this trash, we should pick up and clean our earth so earth can be good and clean. Even in our country, we have to clean. Even people throw the trash, we should clean our earth so our earth can be always clean and live properly, and other people can live properly. For that, we should always do like that, but we should not pluck even flower, even leaf, anything we should not pluck, but even wood we can cut. So this is our national, but sometimes some people cut the wood. That is bad because our national is endangered. Some birds are there. If their house is break, so we can't do like this. For that, we should only do good thing, make a nice house and live very well. So we can do anything for our art, so we can be God. But if we not do good thing, we will be bad people. So we should do good thing for our national and our earth. In every world, we have to make clean. Even our national place, even Nepal, even any country, if there's dirt, we can clean it because this is so good. Our Nepal is in danger of these dirt. The earth is becoming all dirty and bad. So we should not do. We should only do good thing for our national, so we can be good and good. But someone is throwing trash all away, so we have to pick up and throw it in the bin so we can be always good. And we should only save our earth. We can pluck flowers or leave anything. We can't kill anyone. This is bad manners, and like this can be bad, and nature's is problem. So we should not do like this. So we should only do good things so we can be good people and do good thing, and we can be an angel. So if you want to be this kind of peoples or God, you can do good thing. For that, just you have to do good thing so we can be good people. So we should do like this, okay? Because our national is very danger. All of the people are throwing trash there and there and there. So we should not do like that. So we should only save our national. So for that, we should only do good things. So bye.